Look at these colors though, seriously. Oh my goodness, look how deep these colors are. Now these are watercolors, so they came out perfect. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Today I am super duper excited because we are going to be using our auto tumbler press from GO2CRAFT. Thank you so much, GO2CRAFT, for this beautiful, y'all see it, auto tumbler press. You guys, this tumbler press is the bomb.com, and I'm gonna tell you all about it, okay? But we also have some tumblers. So today we are going to be doing a sublimation tutorial about how you can make a sublimation tumbler using the GO2CRAFT auto tumbler press. Y'all see it in all its glory back there, and their tumblers. Now, this is a very special video because this is in celebration of Memorial Day. So I have a wonderful Memorial Day, and that means so much to us where we are from, and we are going to dedicate this video to Memorial Day, okay? So I want you guys to come along as we talk about sublimation for a beginner using an auto tumbler press. I'm going to show you all the tools that you'll need and how you can tape it up. Make sure that it is beautiful. Okay, so just how beautiful you ask, let me show you what it looks like. Look how amazing and colorful and dope this tumbler is, you guys. Land of the free because of the brave. Absolutely, right? So look at the colors popping 10, baby. Chef's kiss. Beautiful. This looks absolutely amazing. The image is from Creative Fabrica, so I will have the link for the tumbler press, the actual tumblers, as well as the design and everything down in the description. So let me show you what I used and what I did to get it. Because baby, do y'all see this? Like, seriously, look at this. Look at this. Absolutely perfect. You guys, let me show you what I used and how I got it to pop like this, y'all. So, like I told you, the tumbler is from GO2CRAFT. The tumbler press is from GO2CRAFT. I used Heat Press Nation's sublimation paper. Okay, so you need sublimation paper. It has to be a sublimation printer and using sublimation paper with sublimation ink, okay? I used a measuring tape to make sure we have the correct dimensions for the tumbler. I use this stand to hold my tumbler, and you'll see that later. And if you need extra help, you can use this, that you'll be able to wrap the sublimation paper around the tumbler. These are from Amazon, and I'll leave those links down below as well. When dealing with sublimation, you need heat gloves. These came from GO2CRAFT, and these came from Amazon. They'll be linked down in the description below. These came with the actual tumbler press, and then I purchased these a long time ago. They're pink. Y'all know how I feel about pink. But you need heat-resistant gloves so that you can be safe and you don't burn yourself anytime you're using sublimation. Heat-resistant tape. Okay, this just happens to be the holder that I'm using, and then I use this weeder tool to help get the tape off the tumbler, which you'll see me use later on. These are just things that I use to help me. This isn't a necessity, but it's just something that helps me. The heat-resistant tape is a necessity. You need heat-resistant tape so that the tape will not burn. The tape can hold the sublimation paper around the tumbler, which is also called a substrate, so that you can get what you need out of it, okay? I also have a silicone mat that just happens to be pink. This isn't a necessity. However, when you have really hot items like the tumblers when they come out the press, this will protect your table. So this is just something that I personally love to use. And then we have our tumblers, okay? So we are going to open them up so you can see our 20-ounce straight tumblers. These are GO2CRAFT tumblers. They come with stainless steel straws as well as cleaner brushes, okay? And then this is a 4-pack. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Also inside, as you saw, I pulled out, this actually is some sublimation paper as well as some shrink wrap. We are not going to use the shrink wrap or this particular size sublimation paper, but thank you so much, GO2CRAFT. Here is what the tumblers look like. They have the plastic. They're white, stainless steel. Here's the top. Inside, they have the stopper. This is sticky. You can remove the sticker and place it on the bottom. Then this is the top. We do remove this when we are taping up the sublimation paper as well as putting it inside of the tumbler press. We do not want to keep this on a tumbler press, okay? Then you want to make sure that you clean this. You can clean it with a lint brush or you can clean it with alcohol, but you do not want anything to be on the actual substrate. That's what you call things that you're sublimating on. So this tumbler is also called a substrate, okay? So we want to make sure it's clean. Like I said, you can use a lint brush or you can use alcohol. And what I prefer to use are coffee filters. These coffee filters I grabbed from the Dollar Tree and they work really well because they're lint free and you can put alcohol on it and clean it off, or use a lint roller, or use both. It's up to you. So these are all the items that we'll be using. Let's go ahead, print the images out. I will be using my Epson Workforce 7720 to print my sublimation image out. And we're going to print it out and we're going to see what this auto press does, you guys. Let's go. Okay, so let's measure our tumbler. So I measured the tumbler and it's about 9.4 inches around the width of the tumbler and about 7.9 inches in height, but I want my image to be 9.4 inches in width and 7.72 inches in height. Every design could possibly be different. This design was not a complete full wrap around, so it wouldn't be seamless. It had a little bit of a gap where it said land of the free, which worked out good for us. And so what I did was I went ahead and taped it up. I used my stand that I got so that I can make sure that everything was correct. And then I started from the bottom. Took the pieces of tape and I pulled the left part of the paper to the right part of the paper so that it can tighten everything up. I started from the bottom. I went all the way up the top, which is our seam that holds the paper and the design together. I did cut a little bit of excess off of the top because I don't want any air to get inside of there. I taped the bottoms up really good, as well as taping the tops up. And the point of taping is to make sure that you don't have any air bubbles or anything get inside of your image so the design can transfer beautifully onto the tumbler. Okay, so there is a automatic stainless tumbler preset that is set for 365 degrees, 50 seconds, and then it rotates for another 50 seconds, okay? So we are going to go ahead and place the tumbler press in. We are going to put the seam close to this side. We're going to press start. The tumbler press is going to close. And it also turns as it's closing, okay? And this will go for 50 seconds. This is how the tumbler press looks in the inside. And now we wait patiently for our 50 seconds before it auto turns. I am so excited to see how this turns out, and I love me this press. Do y'all hear me? It opens up and then it starts turning. If you can see, the tape is moving. There we go. Now it's closing back up. I didn't have to touch it or do anything. I placed the seam closer to this side because now I'm used to how far it turns, and you always want to make sure the seam is not in the opening. So the seam was over around here and then it turned around here. So now the press will fully press completely 360 degrees. I'm so excited. Now it opens up. We can take it out. You can see that there's some color on the outside. That is always a good sign. So you can see the colors coming through on the outside. That's always a good sign. I am going to let it just sit for a second before I unwrap it. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and do the big reveal. So you want to be careful that you do not scratch or scrape the tumbler. Oh, baby. Look at these colors. I literally could tell that they were going to look good because I could see the colors through the paper. OMG. These colors look amazing. You guys, this looks absolutely amazing. Land of the free because of the brave. Look at these colors. These colors, look how deep the blue, how pretty the purple and the red is. These colors look absolutely amazing. This was such a great design. I grabbed from Creative Fabrica. Shout out to GO2CRAFT Auto Tumbler Press. This looks amazing, and anyone would definitely appreciate this. This is beautiful. You guys, I absolutely love it. Let's talk about it. Oh my goodness, do you guys see how beautiful this is? Thank you, thank you, thank you so much, because we would not be able to be the land of the free if it was not for the brave people. So thank you guys so, so much. Thank you for everyone that served, everyone that we lost. Thank you so much for everything. To all of our brave, brave, brave soldiers, thank you so much. This turned out so beautiful. I think this is such a wonderful and beautiful tribute to them. These colors are popping 10. They look absolutely amazing. You guys, everything was perfect from the top to the bottom of the tumbler. Look at these colors though, seriously. Oh my goodness, look how deep these colors are. Now these are watercolors, so they came out perfect. They're watercolors. But for the deep, deep colors, that's how you know it's popping 10. It turned out absolutely amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for this wonderful auto press. Thank you, thank you, thank you to all of our brave soldiers. You're appreciated more than you know. You guys, this was such a wonderful and beautiful tribute as well as project. This turned out way better than I even thought, and I am absolutely in love. All of the links will be down in the description, and shout out to this auto tumbler press because baby, it's the bomb.com. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful holiday. We appreciate you so much at Do Dream On. Thanks again, Go2CRAFT. Thanks again to all of our soldiers. And you guys, that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. If you have not already, please join our Facebook group, Crafty Queen Dreamer. We love it over there. Follow me on Instagram, Do Dreamer is the handle. TikTok, Do Dreamer is the handle. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.